Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix camera not working in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear cache, open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app. Now click on camera, scroll down, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix camera not working in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.